You are going to make this Thai peanut sauce over and over. It is so delicious. It's great with chicken satay or any protein or vegetable. I throw the recipe up at the end so you can screenshot it. An inch piece of ginger peeled, back of the spoon works the best. Chop it up with 2 cloves of garlic. Throw it in hot oil, a tablespoon, and a tablespoon of curry powder. Throw that around until the onions are translucent. The room smells delicious. Put it in a deli container there I'm using because I use an immersion blender. 1/2 cup of coconut milk, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. There's an onion and a handful of cilantro and 1/2 cup of peanut butter, and there's some chili oil. And I stick the immersion blender in and a little bit of salt. I didn't need any water this time, but you can use hot water to get the consistency you like. But just keep in mind that it firms up in the refrigerator. Keep it in there a couple hours for all the flavors to blend. Oh my God, this is so good. I mean, I could just eat it like a soup. I hope you like it. There's the recipe. Bye.